Have you heard about the Nasogenian groove? So stay, I'll tell you the best 2 spots and the best Korean massage for the Nasogenian groove. Let's begin with the first point, 20 dig. Shin Siam, got it? Or let's consider its connection to sense, okay? Where might it reside? Exactly, it's located in close proximity to the nose. And it's located in the Nasogenian groove is present. The groove on one side is more visible than the other and mine is clear. Therefore, I should work more on one side to bring them in balance. So what is our plan? We shall position it in this spot alongside. The nostrils, without hiding the nose, it's just 1 finger. And outside, all right? 0.5 chon, that's it. And it's right in the groove, it's here, where Shin grins. Okay? What are we going to do here? We will work on it 60 times and we will direct it upwards. Is that clear to you? In that case, allow me to demonstrate the process roughly 10 occasions in order to ensure comprehension. 1, 3, 4. Please assist with this exercise. I could use some help. There. Feel your face some. We are almost finished. Perfecto. This is the first point. This particular point effectively activates all muscles and is utilized to treat paralysis as well. This emphasizes the significance that this point holds. Next, we will move on to the second point. 3 of stomach, Yuliado or major hole. Where is it? If you follow the center, got it? We take the center of the pupil up to the bone area. And just beneath the bone would be here, on this line, always in both locations. Let's collaborate on it for a while until we uncover it and make progress. We will repeat the task 60 times, treating each repetition as if it were just 60 seconds. If you become tired after 30, you have the option to stop. Additionally, shift your focus internally and upward. And that's the exercise, which will also help release all this facial muscle. Furthermore, this 3 of stomach point activates the gel komai. What does this indicate? It signifies mobility and agility in movement. What does that mean? It will activate this whole area of the face. Now let's get into the Super Korean massage, which I prepare before shooting the videos naturally. And I also practice it myself. Thus, I apply it onto my facial skin, and truthfully, I experience a profound sense of relaxation afterwards. Therefore, it proves to be truly soothing. How do we begin? After completing the points, we will fill our mouth with air until we reach the cheekbones. Here's how we'll do it, like this. And we will gradually let it go. I'll position myself a bit for you to see. And we will repeat this 10 times. The second part of the massage involves making our mouth into an O. And from the edges of the lips, we will go up to the tear duct approximately. And we will also repeat this procedure 10 times. Please accompany me briefly. And this is the second step. For the third part, we will do it 10 times on each side. How do we begin? We will start at the XXIG, which, as you know, is right here, right? We will position the other finger here and stretch a little on one side. If one side is worse, then address that side as well as the other. Let's proceed to 20 IG. One goes toward the lips while the other goes toward the tear duct. We're also putting from 20 IG. Our fingers here, and we will extend to the cheekbones 15 times on each side. See how gentle, how soothing this exercise is. Opening a little up to the cheekbones. This is the fourth exercise. Now we'll proceed to the fifth part of the massage. We put our fingers here as if you were crying, got it? Something like this. We position them at this location and begin from the XXG, going upwards until slightly above the ears. Not specifically noticeable, but my mouth slightly opens. Of relaxation, we start at XXG down here. We move up along the cheekbones and here, letting out air. Fifth step. Now we proceed to the second to last part. We take 2 fingers and put them on the 2 sides of the mouth. We start moving up here, okay? Up to above the ears, and then we will come down. Notice, We will go down here until we arrive at the collarbone. Be careful when lowering down the neck. Don't press too much. You can apply more pressure on the head and face, but refrain from doing so on the neck. We want to emphasize that we are present. We rise above the ears, and once there, you begin to go down. We press a little and here more gently to the collarbone, and we set them back. This is the second to last. So, facing of the massage, and now we'll move to the final part for the best Korean massage for the nasolabial groove. We wrap up this part. Let's place our fingers a bit here, all right? Not together. Below the bone, on each side of the chin. Let your fingers fall. To enhance the durability, slightly widen and evenly spread your fingers. Begin at this position, ensuring all fingers are placed. Please take a moment to explore the tranquil atmosphere of this open space. We will repeat this process 10 times. And remember that you need to do these exercises in the morning and at dusk. And for 3 weeks, and you will certainly see and notice a big difference. Do you know the marionette lines? Do you have them? So stay, because I'm going to teach you some facial yoga routines, a massage, and 2 points to activate the natural collagen in the skin and remove the marionette lines. Here, where will we place the fingers? All right? We will position our index and middle fingers in this area, exactly where the lines we intend to eliminate are located, correct? We can initiate the process here and commence the ascent, okay? Going up, going up, going up. Got it? Up to the temples. This would be the exercise we are going to do. Here it is. Closing my eyes, I find solace in deep relaxation once I acquire the necessary know-how. How long will we do this? Well, we're going to do it 60 times. We're trying to keep the skin smooth. We're not down here, nor all the way up, but here in the middle. Relax your shoulders. All right? Relax your neck as well. We'll repeat. If you see the 2 fingers, gently lift the jaw upward. Is that clear? What is its effect? It not only improves blood circulation, but also helps in relaxing all the muscles in the jaw. So this is the initial massage technique involving upward motions. All right, should we proceed with the second massage? Instead of our fingers, we will employ our knuckles, as the former might not suffice due to soreness. We need to reapply the oil once more. Let's proceed in the same manner as before. Easy, right? Be careful not to go too far. We place it on the knuckles. Here as well, we put it on the knuckles and we end up. Notice that I let a little drop here. I'll help you a bit carefully. Okay? Once more on the knuckles, and I'm going to the corners of the lips. Okay? This is where I'm going to push. I push a little. Okay? And I follow the jawline. That's it. I'm going here. We'll lower a bit when we're here, okay? Remember, it's this part, all right? Here. I press inward and move up. Exactly. Watch out for lifting your elbows. It happens a lot. Notice, I have also done some weight training. We should try to loosen the elbows a little to prevent the shoulders from rising. And there. We're going to do this again. 30 times. Okay? It's quite nice if done well. Be careful not to press too hard. Also, be cautious if you have any toothache. Okay? In order to prevent excessive pressure, it is also beneficial for relieving congestion. This entire area of the jaw. Okay? And it will slightly tone the muscles. I'm telling you, it's 30 times and twice daily. Remember to do it for several weeks. The third massage we'll do, this is a lymphatic drainage technique, okay? For all the expression lines on the face as well. So let's get to it. First of all, see what I have in my hand, okay? What is it? It's a gua sha, all right? Made of jade. This is commonly used for this massage we're going to do. But I get that you might not have it at home. If you don't have it at home, what do you surely have? Surely, right? Can you guess it yet? Okay. Do you have spoons? Excellent. Can I have 2 small spoons, please? Let's go ahead and use both methods so you can witness the process, okay? What options do we have? Since it's sufficiently warm, is it fine if we use some oil to assist a bit? Is that acceptable to you? You can even add it here, on top. Okay? Just a bit there. Be careful not to spill excessive oil, and we will commence our task, okay? Check this out. Let us proceed upwards now, shall we? It is crucial to exert a tad more pressure underneath. Is that all right with you? Here, keep your mouth slightly open. There we go. All right? Always apply a bit more pressure below, since that's where we'll work on the lines, okay? The marionette lines, don't forget to get rid of them. We'll do it 30 times. 30 times, that's how it is. Approximately reaching the ears, is that all right? And now we shall practice the facial yoga move called the forced smile exercise. You are somewhat familiar, right? You are present in the picture, and that's pretty much the extent of it. I simply cleansed my fingers with a wipe. It is crucial to complete this task beforehand in order to ensure its proper execution, doing the forced smile. Let's do it. How will we do it? With these two little fingers, okay? We'll place them here. Let's smile. Let's stretch. Let's force it a bit, okay? Make sure to keep your teeth hidden during the entire exercise. This is essential as we want to engage all of our facial muscles. Do you see? You're attempting to force it upwards. And here we tighten a little inward. I don't know if you've seen the Joker, but it's quite similar. For a duration of 5 seconds, we will carry out a task followed by a pause of 3 to 4 seconds. This sequence will be repeated periodically. We will be doing it approximately 10 to 15 times, with an additional 2 times per day. I am willing to do it again specifically for your benefit. From here, a bit higher, and this would be the forced smile without displaying teeth. Now we'll continue with these exercises that assist with skin elasticity, which is very important. And let's focus on points. The first point we'll address. 4 for the stomach, Dikan or warehouse soil. In the event that the structure is unmistakably a storage facility, we shall proceed to activate it. How will we proceed? We will exert outward pressure. And what is the purpose of this activation? We're going to activate the skin's natural collagen. How are we planning to do this? And most importantly, where is it located? Well, let's recap. Do you recall the video about the nasolabial line that was mentioned before? This can be found right underneath it. The strings are below. Let's go. The groove. That's mainly visible on my left side from where I stand. We will land there, ensuring our lips are positioned at that middle point. And we are going to work there. How are we going to work on it? What is the most important thing? Well, we will do 20 upward and 20 to the sides. Let's carry out the task at this location. Once we determine the position on both ends, we'll start there. Got it? Moving up, pressing a little. We should experience some pressure. Be cautious if you feel any discomfort in your teeth. And after we have completed the 20, let's go toward outside for a moment. Now we have observed above and to the sides. 20, 20. An important aspect of this exercise we're going to do is that you leave with a sense that you've addressed the points that have been worked on. It's a good sign. Second and final point we are going to work on, stomach pinching. While we have worked on 4, let's move on to 5. Dajin, or the point of reception, is where we will focus our attention and work on it. Where is the point? It's important. So, we will follow a diagonal from the corner of the lip without reaching the bone, okay? It's about 3 fingers approximately in diagonal. I mean, I'm not going here, nor here, in between, okay? Like a triangle, the middle part, this one. Got it? Do you see this triangle I'm forming with my hand? Right in the middle. What would that be? It would be going here, okay? And here I'm going. Before I reach the little bone, it would be here, okay? There. On both sides always. Remember, we are going to find the point. Could it be that the point bothers us a bit? Well, let's see if it bothers you too much. Relax a bit. You can do it with one finger, okay? Use this one, or either. If you're tired of this one, use the other, okay? We are planning to repeat this process approximately 30 times, exerting a slight pressure and putting effort into it. The most important thing is activation. Therefore, we will initiate and take action. Using fingers, moving a little, in circular motions. We will always think about opening and lifting to correct and attempt to eliminate puppet lines. We agreed, alright? 30 times. Let's do this twice each day and continue with it to boost blood flow and stimulate better circulation. Consequently, let's say, in order to permit greater blood circulation, it is necessary to move or prevent obstructions within this region. This marks the second point. And this is the last point for today. Very important, all these exercises we've done, all these massages, this facial yoga, these 2 points, Continuing with them is crucial. Never cease effort. If one day, hypothetically, instead of completing 30 repetitions, you decide to cut it down to 15 because it is causing some discomfort and feels excessively challenging, go ahead and do 15 reps. However, continue doing it for a period of around 4 to 5 weeks. If you want, take a photo first because you'll really see the difference. And in case you haven't watched the video, I highly recommend checking out our primary video that delves into the topic of the nasolabial fold right here. And as usual, for the purpose of recovery and beyond.